And over 12 weeks, he recovered. Knee reflexes came back. The size came back. The foot drop went away. The straight leg raise basically was up to 90 degrees, no pain. So virtually it looked like it was healed. They redid the MRI and the disc herniation was identical.
That's crazy.
So this is what we're starting to see. Whenever there's a disc herniation, that the inflammatory products within the disc or in that area was actually creating a lot of the symptoms, the pressure on the nerve and everything else. And over time, it would get reabsorbed, all the inflammatory products, it would strengthen up, even though the disc herniation was the same. So it wasn't enough to, create the actual symptoms, but the inflammatory process around it. And I think we're starting to see that more and more. So this is where all these people are saying that I have a disc herniation, I can never do anything. Yeah, you can. You just have to be intelligent about it. And Dr. Stu McGill's probably been one of the best at it as far as just telling people, you know what, just take some time off. We're not talking days or even weeks, we're talking months.
Thanks for dropping by. We hope you enjoy what you see. And if you do, click here. Not here, here.